What's up guys, in this video we will be talking about one of the best crypto wallets out there that you could use. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Bitget Wallet's landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. There are a lot of different things that you could actually do in the Bitget Wallet app. It is very useful. You could use it to store your crypto tokens. You could also use it to keep your NFTs, and it also has its own browser, and I will show you how you could join this one right here. So this is the 700,000 ZETA in rewards, and it access Task2Get now and interact with the ZetaChain ecosystem. So they are giving away this much ZETA, and how you could access that and participate is that you just need to download your Bitget Wallet. Alright, so I have my Bitget Wallet app downloaded on my phone, and then right here at the bottom you will see DApp. Alright, you just have to tap this DApp right at the bottom right here, and then you will see up on top there is Task2Get. So just tap that right here. So when you are already here at this point, you just need to follow the instructions right here in this page. All right, it tells you what you need to click and what methods you could use. I would suggest following this right here, the accessing the Task2Get page. So it is very straightforward and easy to follow. That way you could go ahead and get all the details and follow the instructions so you could join that airdrop by ZETA. So Bitget Wallet guys has officially launched Task2Get, and then it is a pioneering Web3 exploration and incentive program. Now this marks Bitget Wallet's first venture into aggregating various on-chain interaction tasks. So guys, Task2Get aims to showcase hot mainnet and projects with potentials. It actually offers users like you and me and other crypto investors a chance to interact and potentially gain future airdrop rewards. In its first edition guys, Task2Get collaborates with ZetaChain, an innovative EVM layer 1 blockchain known for its potential and exceptional cross-chain interoperability. Now let me go ahead and show you this ones as well guys. This will help you to access Task2Get. Alright, you'll see that there. So Task2Get quick guide, 700,000 ZETA. So step 1, you have step 2, acquire the test coins, and then step 3, complete the verification, and then you could also scan this right here. Alright, so 700,000 ZETA rewards alert. You could access that in Task2Get. Just follow the step-by-step instructions to where I showed that earlier. And of course guys, just like what I always tell you, follow all the social media platforms for the projects that you guys are planning to invest in. Do your own research, and of course, make sure that you know what you're getting yourself into. They have their Twitter account here, and they already have 579,400 followers. So there are a lot of users using Bitget Wallet already. And this is not a very new wallet guys. This has been in the market for quite some time now, so don't worry, they are legit and they're not the type of project that will just disappear whenever they want to, okay? And guys, please make sure to stay until the end screen videos. I'm sure those videos will be very helpful in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.